Pick your question, please. And to our audience, please, let's give time for our finalists to answer their question. Right? If you are given one day to represent a model in a national event, what is the first thing you will proudly showcase? In Tagalog, kung mabigyan ka ng isang araw para katawanin ang model sa isang pambansang event, ano ang una mo ipagmamalaki?
Ang una, para sa akin, ang una ko yung pagmamalaki sa Angono ay ang masinit at kultura na meron ng Angono. Tradisyon, kultura na hindi mawawala sa bayan ng Angono. At dahil sa binigay ng plataforma ng Ginoo at binibigay charities, kaya kong gamitin ang plataforma at i-promote ang maganda at masinit na kultura na meron ng Angono. At nandito ako sa inyong harapan na handa akong maging susunod na mukha na maganda, masining at may pagkakaisang Angono. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ginoong Curly. Again, you only have 45 seconds to answer. Your question is, if you do not win tonight, what will be your biggest takeaway from this journey? Kung hindi ka manalo ngayong gabi, ano ang pinakamahalagang natutunan mo sa paglalakbay na ito?
Para sa akin, kung hindi man ako manalo ngayong gabi, ang pinakamahalagang leksyon na nakuha ko dito ay ang pagiging totoo sa aking sarili. Dahil ang pagiging totoo sa sarili ay kailanman hindi mapapagay ng kahit anong bagay. Kung totoo ka sa iyong kapwa, mararamdaman nila yan sa iyo. At kung mararamdaman nila yan sa iyo, at hindi mo kailangan magpakitang tao upang magustuhan ka nila. Dahil kung sino at ano ka ay tanggapin mo dahil yan lang ang yaman na maaari mong makipagmalaki sa kanila. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, George. And Zoe, and also T. Here is your question. If a young boy from Angola looks up to you as a role model, what is the first lesson you will teach him as Ginong Angola 2025? Kung may batang lalaki sa Angola ng mahanga sa iyo, ano ang unang aral na ituturo mo sa kanya bilang Ginong Angola 2025?
I will teach that young boy to be dedicated, to be passionate. Because personally, even though the odds are against me, I still fight for my dreams head on. I don't back down, and I will teach them, I will be an inspiration to them. Because I believe that if you trust yourself, if you love what you are doing, you are going to places. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next week, Ginong Fan.
Oh, Daddy!
Then, this is your question. If Angola faces a community challenge, how will you use your title to help bring people together? Kung may hamon na haharapin ang Angola, paano mo gagamitin ang iyong titulo para pagkaisahin ang mga tao?
As a Ginoong Angono, I will serve as inspiration, a voice, and message to the young generation that we should serve with integrity, praise, and humility to our society. Because at the end of the day, all aspects in life will definitely perish. But your efficiency, effectiveness, and your capability to do something, not only for yourself, but also for the whole society. After all, serving with love and living with grace, that is the power that no one can change. Thank you.
Good luck. Alexandra, Marlene. This is your question. If you meet someone who doubt your capability to be Ginoong Angono, how will you respond? Kung may taong nagdududa sa kakayahan mo bilang Ginoong Angono, paano mo ito haharapin?
As a person who suffered from low self-esteem, I'll let him know that I am once that person who goes through his limits and went out of his boundaries in order for him to grow, in order for him to improve his personal development. And if we, started this here in Angono Rizal, we can show not just the municipality of Angono, but the whole province of Rizal. Thank you.